In this video, we'll explain why your Samsung tablet is frozen and walk you through step-by-step solutions to fix a Samsung table frozen, from simple restarts to advanced repair methods. Part 1. Why is your Samsung tablet frozen? Several factors can cause a Samsung tablet to freeze on the startup screen, including overheating, insufficient storage, malware, incompatible apps, outdated software, weak wireless connection, water damage, untrusted app installations, and hardware malfunctions. Part 2. How to fix it when Samsung tablet frozen. You can refer to the following instructions to get the frozen Samsung tablet repaired in a few minutes. 2.1. Force restart your Samsung tablet. To force restart your tablet, press and hold the power plus volume down buttons for 7 seconds. If it doesn't reboot, drain the battery until it powers off, then charge for 30 minutes and try restarting again. 2. To text the device with Samsung members. Once your device is responsive, use Samsung members to check its performance. Open the app, tap Get Help, then select Automatic Checks. Follow the suggestions to optimize your tablet after the scan completes. 2.3. Check for software updates. To update your Samsung tablet's OS, go to Settings, Software Update, download and install. The tablet will search for updates, and if available, tap Install Now to update immediately. 2.4. Close or delete apps. If your Samsung tablet freezes or crashes during an app use, try updating the software first. If that doesn't help, uninstall the problematic app by going to Settings, Apps, selecting the app, and tapping Force Stop, Install, or Disable. 2.5. Free up more storage. To free up space on your Samsung tablet, go to Settings, Device Maintenance, or Device Care, then tap Storage. Click Clean Now to remove temporary files, caches, and unnecessary data. 2.6. Turn on safe mode. To start your Samsung tablet in safe mode, press and hold the power button, tap Power Off, then hold power again until the logo appears. Release power, press and hold volume down, and wait for safe mode to appear. Uninstall troublesome apps in safe mode, then restart your tablet normally to exit. 2.7. Use repair tool. If the above methods don't work, use a third-party tool like Android Repair to fix a frozen Samsung tablet. It resolves most Android system errors on Samsung devices quickly and without technical expertise. Note: the following operation will cause data loss on the tablet, so you are recommended to take a full backup of your Samsung device before repairing it. Step 1. Launch Android Repair on your computer and enter the System Repair module. Step 2. Next, connect your Samsung tablet to the PC using a USB cable and select Android Repair. Repair now to begin fixing your Samsung tablet. When prompted, choose Samsung as the device brand and then click Start to proceed with the repair. Step 3. Choose the correct device information from the relevant categories and check I agree with the warning before tapping Next to continue. After that, enter 00000 in the pop-up window and hit the Confirm button. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to get your Samsung tablet into download mode. Afterward, tap Next to download the firmware for your device. The firmware will immediately repair the Samsung tablet frozen issue when it is downloaded and verified. 2.8. Factory reset the tablet. A factory reset should be a last resort, as it erases all data. You will get 2 ways to factory reset your problematic Samsung tablet. Option 1. From Settings. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset Factory Data Reset, then tap Reset and confirm. Option 2. Via Recovery Mode. To factory reset a Samsung tablet in recovery mode, power off the device. For models with a home button, press volume up plus home plus power. For models without, press volume up plus power. Once in recovery mode, use the volume buttons to select Wipe Data or Factory Reset, then confirm with the power button and select Yes. 2.9. Contact Samsung support. If your Samsung tablet keeps freezing due to hardware issues, take it along with the purchase receipt to a nearby Samsung customer center. Technicians will inspect the device and provide a maintenance or repair plan if needed.